our channel, and this is me, Mama P, and we're going to do unboxing today, guys. So today is Wednesday, February 10, guys. So let's go ahead and do our unboxing. So this is the Calphalon Classic. We're gonna do unboxing. So let's go ahead. Actually, guys, we bought this Calphalon Classic long time ago, and I just do unboxing. So as you can see, it says like there's 14 pieces in here. Let me show you guys. 14 pieces. So let's go ahead and do unboxing, guys. There you go. There you go, guys. First one is this. So we heard about Calphalon, guys. They're very durable and good quality housewares or pots and pans. So that's the one. They're very clear. I can almost see myself in the mirror. So that's the lid. And here's the pan. Wow. Look at that. So nice. And it says Calphalon Classic Gas, Electric, Glass Top, Nylon and Wood Utensils Only. Hand wash only. So there's also a 1388 8 inches 20.3 centimeter. So there's that one. Let's just put that in there, guys. And they also have like, go ahead with this. Like the lid has a strainer. See that? So let's just put this on the table, the lid. Wow. I don't know if they still have this in Macy's because we bought this long time ago. So it's just been in the storage room. So we decided to use it because our pots and pans are old, so we need a new one. That's the one. See that? So everything that they have here, guys, they are really making sure that it's not gonna get broken or break. See that? Wow, I love Calphalon, guys. This is not the first time I bought Calphalon. I also bought before, like for grilling. I gave it to my husband as a Christmas present. Oh, I think this one is the small one. I'm right, it's a small one. So let's just release this. Just put that in there. It's really shiny. It's really nice too. You see that stainless steel? My Says here, Toledo, Ohio, USA, Calphalon Classic, gas, electric, plus top, nylon and wood utensils only, hand wash only, 87025, 2.5 quart, 2.3 liters. So they're really well made, guys. You're not gonna regret buying it because it's worth every penny. So let's go ahead. Here's the other one. And this is 3.3 liters. That's the cover of that. And this. This one is this one. And I'm right. And there's another pan. .8 liter. Yes. And this is the pan. And I think that's it, guys. So we just put that in there. And I'll show you the cover of this. It's the cover of that. This one. And this one. So two, the one pot and the cover, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the pan and the cover, 12, 14, 12, 13, 13 guys, 13 rather, and this is the 14. What I like about this set, guys, is they also give us the extra ones. So we already gifted the other like this to my brother-in-law and sister-in-law when they got married long time ago. And I also have a pan, like a pan like this, guys. So it's over there. So I'm not gonna show it to you because it's now dirty, but it's really like, I love it, guys, because it's like a wok, guys. So that's it. But if you want to see it, I'm just gonna go get it. But anyway, I highly recommend the Calphalon, guys, because they're really durable, high quality, and will last longer, and they're easy to clean. They're easy to clean, guys. So I'll show you the other one. Okay, please bear with me and enjoy the view. I forgot to get it, guys. So here's the other one, guys, and I told you that we use it already, and it looks like a wok. So this is the one. So that's it for now, guys, and hope you enjoy my unboxing, and see you on my next unboxing. And thank you for tuning in and for supporting her channel. And don't mind our cat, guys, she's always there. And remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and kindly subscribe and tap the bell notification. God bless everyone. Bye!